Colloquial.
Unit 22. Cleaning your room.
Shadowing.
Part 1. One day, Mom and Dad told their children to clean their room. The kids didn't want to do it, but Mom and Dad said it was important to keep the room clean. Mom and Dad helped the kids start by picking up toys and clothes and putting them in their proper place. The kids thought it was fun to organize their things. Then Mom showed the kids how to sweep the floor and dust the shelves. The kids loved using the broom and duster. Part 2. After a while, the room was clean and organized. The kids were proud of themselves and happy to have a clean room. Mom and Dad praised their hard work and gave them a special treat for doing such a great job. The kids realized that cleaning their room was important and they promised to keep it clean in the future.